This is going to be a quick video on how to make Windows builds from Unity. So inside of Unity Hub, you want to make sure that your installed editor that you're using, and this is the version we're using this semester, has build support for whatever platform you're targeting. In this case, we're looking at building Windows desktop applications. So you want to open up the Add Modules menu and make sure that Windows build support is checked. And once you've got that installed, you can go ahead and open up a Unity project. I've got a sample one here. And the way that we configure a Unity project so that it can be built is we first have to go into our build settings, file build settings, and we have to make sure that the scenes that we want in the application are actually included in this list up here. So you can drag them in. And then what you want to make sure to do is that the first scene in this list is the scene that you want to load first. So in this case, this would load level 1 first. So if I click and drag and move main menu up, that will make sure that the menu loads as the first scene. So once we've got that, you would choose your platform from this window. In this case, we would select the PC, Mac, and Linux standalone. Our target platform, we can choose 32 or 64-bit. 64-bit should be fine for this class. And then at the bottom, you have two options. If you want to build and then make sure it works, you can do build and run. If you just need to build a new version so that you can zip it up and submit it somewhere, you can just hit build. Both of these will build. So I'm going to hit build. And then what you want to do, let's get rid of this. What you would want to do is make sure that you have a folder. I'm going to call it builds. And you want to make sure that it's not inside of your assets folder. So this is one directory up from my assets folder where I'm putting this builds folder. And then for each different platform, you'll probably want to create a new folder. So I'm going to say that this is the Windows build so that I could have another folder for WebGL builds when I go build for WebGL. I'll select that folder. And then it's going to take a minute to actually build the application. We're all set. It pops open a window where that application was built. So we have this exe, and then we have a bunch of other files that are important to have situated next to our exe. So if I were to go share this with someone or submit it to Canvas, what you need to do is this folder that contains all of these files. So you want to go up one directory from your exe, right click on that, send to compressed zip, and this folder that's zipped up is the thing that you would want to submit or share with someone so that they can then unzip it and run the application. Just to see it working, so after you shared the folder, someone unzipped it, they would be able to open up this exe and see our main menu, explore the menu, get into the game, explode some things, and everything's working.